Aniseed has a spicy, sweet aroma because of its high anethole content. Aniseed is antiseptic, antispasmodic, carminative, diuretic, and has expectorant properties. Additionally, it's reputed to control lice and itch mite. This oil is extremely potent and should not be used on sensitive skin. Avoid use during pregnancy. Aniseed is a top note. Anise star contains potent chemical constituents including transanol and sulfol, which can cause dermatitis in sensitive individuals. It is used as a carminative, stomachic, stimulant, and diuretic for combating colic, indigestion, and rheumatism. It is generally non-toxic, non-irritating, but should not be used by anyone who is allergic or has inflamed skin. Avoid use if pregnant, nursing, or have serious medical conditions, or possibly estrogen-dependent conditions or cancer. Anise star is a top note.